Hello there, dear friends. I am Pittsburgh Pat, and I'm going to tell you how to put this lens hood on your camera. So you bought this camera like I did on Amazon, and it's going to be great for YouTubing. It's inexpensive. It's got like a microphone on it. But like, how do you put the lens thing on? So there's like three parts here, and they all kind of seem like they fit together, but you don't do it in the right way, and I get the full benefit out of the lens hood. So let's take a look at that. Whoosh. What a transition. He's amazing. It's like YouTube 2012. All right, so actually I did start YouTubing in 2016, so thank you everybody for subscribing to the channel. So this came with a lens cap, right? But it also came with a lens hood. So the lens hood keeps shadows and light from coming out of the sides and glare and that sort of thing when you're filming. So there's three parts here, right? So obviously, the most obvious thing is this part seems to fit right here, right? And screw into where the lens cap would cover, right? Because there's threads here and there's threads here and it fits, right? And that won't work because that doesn't have any like male threads. And this won't work either because it just won't. So obviously you got to screw this in here, right? Yes, but first you got to take this part and you screw this here first, okay? So if you screw this on first, what you get is a spacer and also a way to firm up the lens hood because then this part here screws into this part of the lens hood here. So what I do is I line it up, back it up, and then you'll get it started. But because if you just put this part on, what will happen is the lens hood will kind of sit wherever it wants to. Whereas if you have this part on, you can adjust the this part of the lens hood. Come on. Be good to me on camera. Come on. There we go. So you can adjust this so it firms up so that you can keep this either horizontal, vertical, whatever you want to do. So here, I'll show you what I mean. So screw this in like so. And then if you get to a point where it's off like this just happens to firm up perfectly. But if you didn't have this spacer in here, then you might have it, at an angle like this. Or let's say like you're setting up on a tripod and you need a really tight shot and there's something blocking it, or there's a little something in the way, you can adjust the hood that way so that like if you're between tree branches or something like that, you have a little more flexibility. So that's the reason you have the spacer in there. So that's how you put this together. If you have any questions about this camera, I'll put the link to this where I bought this on Amazon in below, and that's an affiliate link, so I will get a little bit of money, not a ton. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. We're at 15,000. No, 16,700. No, 15,700. And I also started a Patreon, so if you want to support me that way, that'd be great. All right, I'm Pittsburgh Pat, and that was your video, and I hope you have a great day out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Talk to you in the comments.